What a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. We've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You shouldn't see it rolled down the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing around the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will. Germany have a free kick. Gundogan, it's on a plate. Mohamed Salah. Alexander-Arnold tries to switch the play. Davis. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. And for a moment, time stood still. Repelled by the keeper. Davis puts in a cross. In he flies! Great effort. He flew in with courage.
A good attempt. The ball was at a lovely height too.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Forward it goes. Towering header! A great save, real class.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
They've played it short. It's a fine challenge and it goes his way. He can get that clear. Cristiano Ronaldo. Hefty challenge, but fair enough. That is Conte. Rudiger goes looking. De Ligt gets into the right position to intercept. Tries to get it forward quickly. And the finish! Big moment! Massive goal!
Well, players of his stature just live for moments like that. Another really important contribution as we near half-time, and it can make such an impact on each mindset. Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
deadlock. And we hit half-time. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football. The still had its moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. More than decent game up to now.
I'm sure they'll be very happy with the first half performance and the scoreline. They'll definitely want to maintain the momentum now and finish the job.
Leading 1-0 at the break. And we're underway again.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Kimmich. Davis. Keeps everyone guessing. Oh, shooting chance! And the ball goes for goal! Oh, good effort, he got plenty on that.
Yeah, the shot was enabled, Peter, due to such smart control and technique.
Skriniar. De Ligt. Cristiano Ronaldo. Deftly done. Havertz. And it's Salah. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! He's got away with one there. Cristiano Ronaldo. Gets up to head it! He scores! 2 up now, and they are cruising.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close.
That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Salah. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's off on a marauding run. Conte. Gorgeous control there. It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch. It'll be a throw-in. Mohamed Salah. Kante drives it forward. Salah dinks one in, looks to play him in. It's a minor communications breakdown. Hoists it forward. Gnabry desperately wants to get on the end of this. Davis. And it's played forward. Ronaldo hits that long. There's no flag. Going for goal! Yes! And the lead is extended still further.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. And they really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Germany have turned to their bench and we're going to have a substitution.
Well, to wait until now to make this change seems a bit baffling. He's expecting the miraculous to turn this around from here.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And the referee brings it to a close. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. Would you summarise what we've seen today then, Jim?
Yeah, we knew there was a sizable gap in the quality of both squads and the story was told in